What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Excuse me. And today we are back on the Sky Wars on Hypixel. So yeah, basically we are doing another video. You guys like that other video, so smash a like on that video. If you guys haven't seen that video, finish this video and then go watch the other video. But smash a like on this video too, because it really does help me out with growing the channel. And yeah. And yeah, I just need to talk, like, this summer I'm probably gonna get the pro version of Screencast, because the Screencast-O-Matic is really good still. Everyone's like, use OBS, but I've seen a lot of videos, OBS is really laggy, and so I'm gonna use Screencast-O-Matic a lot. And it's only like $1.50 a month, $1.50 a month, so it's probably gonna be easy. If you guys want me to do like Bed Wars and stuff like that, I'll definitely do that in the summer. And yeah, so let's just do this thing. I think I just took a screenshot. Yep, I did a screenshot, but let's just jump right. Okay, so we are in the first round of the day. Let's see if I can consider this either a couple kills. Let's go for 3 kills. At least 3 kills, 2 kills. Or at least winning the game. Yeah, let's just shoot for winning the game. So, yeah, boom. Wait, boom. Why won't this go? Oh, I was pushing the wrong hotkey to... Why did I not grab that? To, grab my sword. So, yeah. I can't really talk. Why can't I talk? Like, stuttering on my talking. I know I can talk. Like, I can talk good. What? Alright. Is anyone bridging? Okay, that guy was bridging to mid, but he just fell off. And I failed at the speed pot. I always do that. It's annoying. Okay. Boom. Alright. And my friend wanted to party me, but I was making a video and I said I couldn't. And yeah, shout out to Peppermint. One tap. That's called a cleanup right there. Cleaner. You guys can go down and put it in the chat below, saying cleaner. Like, put cleaner in the chat. I need boots. That's it. Water bucket. That. Okay. You. What are you doing? Like, literally, you can climb up from right there. So you decide to build a. Oh, I thought he was hacking for a second. Really thought he was hacking. No. No, he's getting all the chests. Wait, is that one looted? Alright, I'm gonna go get this chest all the way over here, because he has ender pearls and I am getting it. Let's see if I can jitter up. Oh, that guy almost hit me. Oh, and he hit me. Rip. Oh. Ah! Fight each other. Come on, fight each other. Pre-gap. Or gap up, not pre-gap. Regeneration and stuff like that. Yeah. Hey, no. Get out of here. Alright, I want to finish grabbing this chest. Oh wait, what chest was I going for? Yeah! Oh, made it. Oh, I made it. Ooh, there was a big slam. My house. I moved my locations on my computer to where it's more quiet, but sometimes you guys can hear just a little bit of noise. And I'm being chased. No. I can't do anything right now. I honestly can't. Does one of them die yet? No, there's one guy camping at his island. I'm kind of tempted just to go find him, because these guys are kind of getting annoying on my nerves. I already got. Make sure no one's behind me, because I don't want to get snuck up on again. So I was practicing. I was like warming up, because I wasn't warmed up all the way. And I was on this map, and this guy totally snuck up on me when I was building up. And I got so scared, because I didn't know he was right there. And like literally popped. Let's see if I can get over to here. Get some ender pearls and find that guy that's camping on his island. Okay, I made it. Okay, I'll take that fire aspect 1 sword. So yes. Hello. Hello, Dino Plays. That means there's Reach Master 14G. That means where's Reach Master 14G? I think I just barely saw his name tag. Whoa! Oh, that was a nub play right there. And this guy's gonna really bow me with a power 5, I think. Oh, and then I nub out. Dang it. That last round, though, I totally missed that. Block. I should have blocked myself in. And I had pickaxe. But yeah, whatever. You win, you lose sometimes. Oh, right, because there was supposed to be one right there. But then, there's this chest. But yeah, you win, you lose sometimes, and you lose and you win sometimes. I don't know if that made sense, but I don't think it even made sense to me, so. You lose and you win sometimes. No, why did I put my gap up here? I'm just misclicking a lot. Boom, boom, power 3, get that out of here. Put that in there. Put my bow is in the right slot bar. The correct slot bar. Hey! Who said you can go to bed? Really? You didn't do anything about that? Dixie moves or something like that? Oh, whoa! Why did you come back for me? Dixad Momo. Whatever. Your name. You chose your own name. Dude, don't look at me like that. I got rights. Okay. Ooh. Looks like it's gonna be a long round because these guys. Oh, flame shot. Oh, he popped that regen. I got that second hit on him. Whoa, I got that last hit on him. I gotta watch this guy. Make sure he doesn't. Really? So you poisoned me. I'm really low right now, though. Oh! What a nub! Okay, I really need a, I wish I had a regen right now, just in case. Oh. What did he say? Oh, no. Oh, why am I typing? Exit out of that. I just need to exit out. He's low. He's a one-hitter. Bye-bye! That's a GG. What? Oh, yeah, because I was in the party. That's a GG on the chat. That is a GG and a screenshot. That was a GG in the chat. That was a nice round right there, guys. Couldn't have done it. Because those guys were just keeping me in my island. That's probably how I wanted to, But now I came for that guy. I hit him 3 times, and then he popped a regen, which was probably really bad. If he continued hitting me, I would probably have died. But I don't know. It's how he did it. It's how he chose to lose. But it was still a good fight. I gotta give it to that guy. It was a pretty good fight. Alright, diamond. Put that on, and then put that regen right there. Oh, wait. Yeah, that was a good win. That counted out when I nubbed out. That takes over the round when I nubbed out. That overrules it. So you guys can't say anything. You guys can't put an L in the chat because I redeemed myself. I redeemed myself big time, okay? If that... Oh! As I'm saying, I redeemed myself, I jump off into the void. Nub status right there. That's twice in a row. My win, though, I got win though. You guys can't say anything because I won. I do in almost every episode though. I at least get like one win though. Like you guys can even go back and see on my one, two. I don't want that. Yeah. Like you guys can even go and see like how much I won. And you guys can just go look at all my videos and see how much times I've won. I'm definitely not tricking you guys to end up getting views, so let's get strength. Right. It's a one-tapper. He's a one-tapper. What? You what? Yeah, there we go. Whoa, his Revenge Slider is gonna kill me. Oh, that was a close battle right there. They had like sharpness 1 and stuff like that. I got 64 arrows now. Alright, I like me some blocks. How much guys are left? 4 and 2 kills. I totally stole that. Alright, let's see if I can. Oh, really? Well, that was it on the Skywars server. On Hypixel Skywars. That was so much fun. Got 1 win. I think I got a bunch of wins. That last round, I checked, the guy built over from the other island and hit me from the back, but still got 2 kills on that. I was still pretty good. I get the hiccups. And yeah, so yeah, go down and hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you guys are new, and yeah, go check. If you guys want, go through this video and see how much kills I got, and then put it down in the comments below. And yeah. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like that, either comment down below, like, subscribe, and comment down below. And yeah, and if I get to 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway, a Hypixel rank giveaway. And I got a lot of friends on Hypixel that watch me, like Taxi Driver commented, and if I get to 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. And yeah. So basically, only the giveaway up to 100 subscribers is they're gonna have to watch a lot of my videos and comment down that they've watched the video. They want to work up for the giveaway. So the giveaway is kind of starting right now. So yeah, and yeah, that's basically it. Just like, share to your friends, and comment down below that you watched the video. Comment on a lot of my videos. If you do it on every single one of my videos that I've done, you will most likely win. So that's just a little tip, one little tip. But yeah, how you enter is leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. But if you're already subscribed, it doesn't matter. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next Skywars update. Will probably be tomorrow. Bye guys.